Hey everyone, Car Review Hub 2025. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a machine that's been turning heads and sparking debate among enthusiasts, the BMW 535D Touring. People say it's the perfect mix of power, practicality, and luxury. But is it really worth all the hype? Stay tuned because we're about to find out if this diesel powerhouse truly deserves its legendary reputation. From the moment you see it, the BMW 535D Touring commands attention without shouting. It has that silent confidence, sleek, mature, and muscular. The long roofline, the bold kidney grille, and those razor-sharp LED headlights create a look that's both elegant and aggressive. Every line seems to have purpose, flowing from the front all the way to the sculpted rear, where twin exhaust pipes sit like a subtle reminder of the power within. In the USA, Alpine White remains the top showroom color. It perfectly complements the car's refined proportions. Picture this, under bright showroom lights, that glossy white paint reflecting from every curve, giving the car a timeless, almost futuristic glow. It's not just a wagon, it's a piece of German engineering art. Step inside and you're instantly reminded why BMW interiors are praised around the world. The 535D Touring welcomes you with soft-touch leather, brushed metal trims, and a cabin that feels tailored around the driver. The steering wheel feels thick and perfectly weighted, the buttons click with precision, and the dashboard layout is clean and intuitive. The center display, powered by BMW's iDrive system, gives you access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, all at your fingertips. The seats are superb, offering comfort and support even after hours on the road. They're heated, adjustable in nearly every direction, and wrapped in fine leather that feels expensive because it is. In the back, passengers enjoy generous legroom and a sense of spaciousness that few wagons can match. And then there's the cargo area, a massive 560 liters that expands to over 1,600 when you fold down the seats. Perfect for road trips, family adventures, or just hauling life's everyday gear. The 535D Touring isn't just luxurious, it's truly practical. But let's get to the part that makes this car legendary. What's under the hood? The BMW 535D is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six diesel engine, and this thing is an absolute beast. It pushes out around 313 horsepower and an astonishing 630 newton-meters of torque. What that means in the real world is relentless pulling power. You press the pedal and the surge is immediate, smooth, strong, and satisfying. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just about 5.5 seconds, and it keeps climbing effortlessly toward its electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. This isn't a car that shouts about performance, it just delivers it with elegance. The 8-speed automatic gearbox shifts seamlessly, keeping you in the power band whether you're gliding through city traffic or eating up miles on the highway. And despite all that muscle, it still manages around 37 miles per gallon in mixed driving, proving that diesel can be both fast and efficient. On the road, the 535D Touring feels like a dream. The steering is precise, the chassis feels perfectly balanced, and the suspension smooths out every imperfection. Take it through a corner and you'll be surprised by how composed it feels for a wagon. It's stable at high speeds, planted in the turns, and relaxed during long cruises. It's the kind of car that makes you look forward to every drive, whether it's a daily commute or a weekend getaway. BMW's engineering really shines in how this car blends comfort with sportiness. You can switch between drive modes, from Eco Pro for efficiency to Comfort for smooth cruising, or Sport when you really want to feel that torque hit. In Sport mode, throttle response sharpens, the gearbox holds gears longer, and the diesel engine comes alive with a deep, satisfying growl. It's an experience that few cars in its class can match. And of course, the practicality is what truly sets the Touring apart. You've got space, flexibility, and a design that's just as ready for a business meeting as it is for a family vacation. The rear tailgate opens automatically, and the loading area is wide and low, making it easy to fit everything from suitcases to sports gear. But let's be honest, owning a BMW 535D Touring isn't just about driving pleasure. It also comes with responsibility. This twin-turbo diesel setup is advanced, but it's also complex. Regular maintenance is key, and skipping it can lead to expensive problems. Some owners have reported issues with oil consumption, suspension airbags, or turbo components. So if you're buying one used, make sure it's been well maintained with full service records. Then there's the reality of diesel ownership. With emissions regulations tightening in many countries, diesel cars face more restrictions than ever before. Depending on where you live, that could mean higher taxes or limited access in low-emission zones. But if you're someone who drives long distances and values torque, range, and efficiency, this engine still makes perfect sense. The good news is that when properly cared for, the 535D Touring is a reliable companion. Its inline-six diesel engine has proven itself capable of handling high mileage without losing its performance charm. It's built for those who appreciate long, effortless drives, the kind of person who sees driving not as a chore, but as therapy. So, is the BMW 535D Touring worth the hype? If you're looking for a car that combines sports car performance with wagon practicality, then yes, absolutely. It's powerful, efficient, beautifully built, and endlessly capable. It's one of those rare cars that can be a family hauler during the week and a thrill machine on the weekend. However, if you want a low-maintenance, city-focused commuter, this might not be the car for you. The 535D demands attention, both on the road and in your maintenance budget. But for those who understand what they're getting into, for those who value driving pleasure and long-distance comfort, this car is a masterpiece. It's a true driver's car disguised as a family wagon. It's elegant when you want it to be, fierce when you need it to be, and efficient all the time. The BMW 535D Touring isn't just worth the hype, it defines what the hype is about. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on carReview Hub 2025. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next car review. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you take the BMW 535D Touring home, or do you have your eye on something else? Until next time, keep driving, keep exploring, and stay passionate about the road ahead. This is carReview Hub 2025.